Yo, what's up internet? Tomas Peter here. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork. I made thousands of dollars editing videos. And in this video, I would like to introduce my one-on-one coaching, right? I offer you my services as a mentor. I started freelancing at the beginning of 2018. So I have more than 4 years experience freelancing and video editing, yeah. So if you are a beginner freelance video editor or you just want to make money online, message me. I can give you advice on this, or if you need help with Premiere Pro, self-development, these kind of things, I can help you with this, right? So on the right side here, you can see my Upwork profile, right? Tomas Peter, 100% job success, yeah, top rated. All links will be in the description, yeah, so you can contact me easily. Yeah, in the left corner down here, you can see my work showreel. Yeah, this is my work. This is a work showreel I used to send clients when I was asking for a job. Yeah, so you can see some of my work. And yeah, now let's discuss some details regarding this one-on-one coaching, right? Which is in the left top corner, yeah? So the price for this mentoring or coaching is gonna be $20 an hour at the moment. The time we can meet is ideally weekends, yeah, 10 to 20 Central European time. The platform for call is ideally Upwork, Skype or Zoom, etc. I'm open to anything. And yeah, the next thing is message me and hire me on Upwork. There will be a link in the description. Yeah, you will go there to my profile. You're gonna send me a message on Upwork. So you will hire me on Upwork. Yeah, the current price, as you can see, is $20 an hour. That's pretty much it for this video. So if you are interested in mentor like me, go down to the description, check the link and contact me and we can work.